Yes, welcome guys. Welcome to our today's class. Today I'm going to start with one of the lessons that you are doing already. I don't know if you did it correctly or you're going to do it like today, but I decided to record this session in order for you to have a look, right? So we're going to speak about how to save, right? How to save your work. You know, like as a technician, when you finish configuring your device, you have to save your configurations. What you need to understand, you have to understand this. When you have your switch, there are two types of configurations, right? Two types of configurations. The current configurations that you are currently busy typing, right? We call it running configurations. So the configuration that you are busy typing, we call this type of configuration running configurations. The second type of configuration is the one that comes with the device. When you boot up the device, when you switch on your switch will come with the configurations, right? So those configurations, we call them startup configurations. So there are two types of configurations: running configurations, what you're currently busy configuring, and there is what we call startup configurations. So startup is what you found already, that is already there, right? Now, whatever that you are typing, whatever that you are configuring now, you have to save, right? Because if you don't save, you are going to lose, right? We call this type of memory volatile memory. So running configuration is volatile. Volatile means that when you don't save, you're going to lose everything, right? So whatever that you are doing, you have to learn how to save. So you are taking what you are saving, what you are configuring now, you save it where? To what is already there. So you take the running configuration, you save it where? Into the startup configurations. So every time when you are done, you must take the running that is volatile, you save it to the one that is non-volatile. So the running configuration uses what we call RAM, memory RAM, the volatile. The startup configuration uses what we call non-volatile RAM, NVRAM. So whatever that you're typing now, whatever that you're configuring, will be on one of the memory that we call RAM, the volatile one, right? But the startup configurations, the one that is already there, will be saved like on one of the memory that we call NVRAM, non-volatile RAM, right? Let me try to share my screen, right? Okay. Yeah. So you have the running configuration, like number one, that will go to the memory RAM, the volatile one, and you have the startup configuration that is non-volatile, and this type of configuration goes to the non-volatile RAM, right? So you have to take whatever that you are configuring now, and you have to copy, you have to put it, you have to send it to the startup configurations. And the command is very simple, but you have to be like in privilege mode, because most of the guys can be wrong. You must be in privilege mode right here. Now you're gonna say copy running config startup config. This is the command for saving your current work from here. So you are taking this whatever that you are typing now, you save it where? You save it to what is already there, right? So basically, you are asking the switch to copy whatever that you are configuring now, the running configurations, where? To the startup configurations. Copy running configurations to the startup configurations. So this command, you are asking the switch to take whatever that you are configuring now and save it where? Into your startup configurations, right? So this is the meaning, right? Very, very easy, right? So what you need to understand, it's very, very easy. Let me show you how to configure, right? So that you can repeat the same thing with me. Okay, and just stop sharing. Okay. I'm looking for packet tracer, okay? Yeah, so let's say you have your PC and you have your switch, right? And you have your console cable, right? Yeah. Now you try to configure now. Let's say, let me first be sure like you can see my screen. Sometimes I'm running through like a serious problem when it comes to configurations. Okay. Let's say enter. Go to the terminal. Okay, let's say I'm saying I'm changing my host name. I'm saying it's SW1, right? Now, let's say I want to save this work, right? How to save it? It's very easy. I told you that you must first be in privilege mode. You have to exit because here you are not in privilege mode. You exit. When you exit, now what you must do now, you have only to type copy running config. So you're telling the switch to copy whatever that I did. Like now, my host name, I've changed the name of my switch. It's copy running config, startup config, right? So after typing this, you just press enter. It will ask you the destination, just press again, enter, and you are done. This is how to save your work from the running configuration to the startup configurations, all right? That was just something that I wanted to show you, right? Beside that, let me go to my document. Beside that, there is also, you have to understand that how to view your configurations. Your configurations, right? Suppose like you as a technician, you wanna see the current configurations of your switch. Like let's say you wanna see your operating systems, versions, and so on, right? So what to do? Very, very easy, right? You only type the command either S1 show run. When you type this command will allow you to view so many things, right? Just to view your current configuration, because for you to troubleshoot something, you have to know what is already there. You can see when let me try to go back to my, I don't know if the connections I'm out or it kicks me out or not. I don't even see where I am. I lost the connectivity. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, so you can first do this one, and I will send to you another one. And Nontokozo, I made a mistake, or maybe it's a problem. I couldn't share my screen. They can only view this one, and I will send another one, all right? Thanks.